Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna find out can you upgrade your Acer Swift 1 solid state drive or RAM. Also you're gonna see what's going on inside of this laptop. First things first, you need a special screwdriver, Torx T6. You can buy them on Amazon, eBay, wherever you can really find them. Don't buy the cheapest one, they're not the best ones. This is decent enough now, it's not the best one either, but it will do the job. So you have to remove all the screws on the back panel. I'm gonna speed things up a little bit so it won't be as boring. It shouldn't take you more than 30 seconds, maybe a minute. Once the screws are removed, you need something plasticky. I have this little special kind of a triangle thing. If you don't have one, use your credit card, anything. Don't recommend using anything metal. It will actually scrape your laptop or damage it, so do not use anything metal. You can use your nails though. Don't recommend that really either, it's pretty painful actually. Okay, back panel will come off now, and that's how your laptop, that's how your motherboard and everything looks inside. It's pretty basic, there's no fan, it's quiet laptop, and also there's no DDR4 upgradable slots there, so whatever you have on your motherboard on your laptop, that's what you have there. So in this laptop there's 4 gigs DDR4, not upgradable, so that's the bad news. Now you can't upgrade RAM on these laptops. Good news, you can upgrade solid state drive. What you can see here, that's 128 GB solid state drive. That's your Wi-Fi card there. Yep, and as I said, good news is you can upgrade your solid state drive. You need a kind of a very casual, normal screwdriver to remove that. Nothing special, I think everyone would have one in their house. Now take good care removing the solid state drive. Don't damage anything, don't pull it off, or just be very gentle. There you go, that's the one what's in it at the moment, or was in it, 128 GB. It's actually good enough drive, I can't complain with the speed now, it was pretty good. Just the storage space wise, it's not the best. Because you install Windows and you're gonna have only 95 gigs left, or less. That's the one what's gonna go in, it's 250 gigs. I'm gonna leave the link in description so you can buy the same one or find similar one, whatever will suit you. In my case 250 gigs was more than enough. So, and by the way, anyone asks, CPU upgradable? No. Graphics card upgradable? No. Okay, that's the new drive what's gonna go in, 250 gigs. Looks the same, more or less. And one thing here now, if you're gonna swap your solid state drives or install the new one, you will have to install Windows again. I installed Windows 11 on this laptop, so it's pretty decent now speed-wise, it's alright. But yeah, you have to go through the installing all the system again and whatever programs you may have there. So here we are now, you can upgrade solid state drive. Congrats, you can't upgrade DDR4 unless you bought the 8 gigs version of that laptop. Don't know do they do them. If they do them, very good, you spend probably a bit more and you got the better laptop. This one has 4 gigs RAM, so no upgrade options there. So same thing here, put the back panel back and put all the screws, screw them back in. Pretty much reverse what I did there at the beginning. Also, I'm gonna speed things up from here on, so it's gonna break my heart to see that again. And in a minute now, I'm gonna show you actually some specs in the Windows as well. I'm gonna put this laptop up, so you're gonna see what's going on. Just a short little preview. Okay. That's how it looks. That's how palm rest looks like. It has the backlit keyboard, by the way. It's actually nice. power button, laptop powers on now, and in a second we're gonna be in Windows. There we go. I'm just gonna right click here on the Windows button now and go to the device manager. And you can see it's genuine. That's the hard drive or solid state drive I installed, so it's all there. So hopefully this was helpful now for someone out there who's looking to upgrade their RAM or solid state drive. As I said before, you can't upgrade RAM, you can upgrade solid state drive, and I've proven here works 100%, no problem, updates, everything works. So if that was helpful, subscribe, like the video, and you know what? Have a good life. Bye bye.